Okay, so I'm gonna put.
I forget.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to put a skewer through a balloon without popping it. First, we're going to be blowing out our balloons. So our balloons are all blown up. Let's see what happens when we poke a skewer through the balloon directly. It popped! Now, I'm going to show you how to poke the skewer through the balloon without popping it. First, start by poking where there's a thick side. Then poke it all the way through. Like this.
I want to try.
So you see, we have poked the skewer through the balloon without popping it.
I want to try
So first, you have to
it.
poke.
I want to this.
We know that when you poke a skewer through the balloon this way, where it's thin and stretched, it will pop. But let's see what will happen when we put tape on this side and then poke it. Okay, so I'm going to put...
I forget.
Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to put 2 pieces of tape on this side and this side. Okay, so I put tape on both sides, here and here. So now I'm going to see if I can push it through without popping it this way. As you can see, it doesn't work very well with Scotch tape, so here I'm going to use masking tape. Okay, I blew out my balloon and put masking tape on both sides of my balloon. Now I will be trying to poke my skewer through the balloon with masking tape. If you do it slowly, it will work better. It worked. So, we have our skewer through the balloon and it did not pop.